It's crazy for Congress to be coming back to D.C. Mitch McConnell announced Monday that the Senate would reconvene in a week's time to do the people's business. "We will modify routines in ways that are smart and safe, but we will honor our constitutional duty to the American people and conduct critical business in person," the Republican senator from Kentucky said in a statement. "If it is essential for doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, truck drivers, grocery store workers, and many other brave Americans to keep carefully manning their own duty stations, then it is essential for senators to carefully man ours and support them." The Democratic-controlled House is also set to return on May 4. This is, to put it plainly, a very bad idea. Yes, a handful of states, Georgia and Tennessee being the most prominent, have begun to reopen some select businesses in hopes of restarting badly flagging economies. But according to the influential projections produced by the Institute for Health Metrics at the University of Washington, most states in the country should be waiting until, at least, late May before beginning to take baby steps toward reopening. In Washington, D.C., the Institute's model says social distancing can be eased beginning around June 4, a full month after the Senate is returning. Why is this such a big deal? Well, as ZNN's Kristen Wilson notes, 86 senators are 50-plus years old, she tweeted Monday. 39 in their 60s, 22 in their 70s, 6 in their 80s. All flying in from all over the country. And if there's one thing that infectious disease experts know about the coronavirus, it's that it is disproportionately more deadly for older Americans. Note: this does not mean younger people don't die from the coronavirus. They do. And if there are other things that infectious disease experts know about the coronavirus, it's that it's pretty darn contagious. To date, only one senator, Rand Paul of Kentucky, has tested positive for coronavirus. Given those twin realities, it seems like a wildly unnecessary risk to ask 100 senators, almost one-third of whom are 70 or older, to get on planes and fly back to Washington. The House, while younger, is also much larger, with 435 members. Not to mention that bringing back lawmakers also means bringing at least a skeleton staff to support them. It's not just the members who are adding to the number of people on Capitol Hill on any given day. And consider that the next legislative target, federal dollars for state and local governments struggling under the burden of dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, was undermined Monday by none other than President Donald Trump. Why should the people and taxpayers of America be bailing out poorly run states, like Illinois, as example, and cities, in all cases Democrat-run and managed, when most of the other states are not looking for bailout help? Trump tweeted. "I am open to discussing anything, but just asking." Bringing the House and Senate back amid that uncertainty begs a simple question. Why? The point? Politicians are uniquely aware of public perceptions and want to make sure no one thinks they aren't working and working hard. But to bring back a bunch of senior citizens to Washington next week seems like a mistake. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.